Hey everybody, how you doing? Dirt Street Stock C fixed at the dirt track at Charlotte. I'll be in the Iowa State University Cyclones, University of Iowa Hawkeyes car named Sybil. I'm in car number 8 tonight. I'm starting 15th in the field of 15. Race length is 25 laps, which equals 11 miles. The dirt track at Charlotte, located right next door to the Charlotte Motor Speedway, is a .44 mile traditional dirt oval. Banking is 10 degrees in the turns and 4 degrees on the straightaways.
According to my sheet, you should be on the inside.
I am.
The road is closed.
Dead last, I believe. Got took out in my heat race. Okay, looks like I came down on him. That's on me. So, I shouldn't have qualified. This is kind of where I wanted to be anyway. And we'll just do some accident avoidance and see what we can pick up. Second time on the dirt this week. Did the trucks at Knoxville. That was like driving on ice. Thought, hey, let's see what the let's see what the dirt street stocks are doing. They're at Charlotte, the dirt track at Charlotte, blah, 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 blah. And I like this track. Get around here decent in the middle, not so much in the low, but I'm kind of figuring that out. The car looks good at night too.
All right, fellas, you can refocus now. Everybody settle in, make sure all your equipment's correct. Jack looked at, all that stuff. Flip when you jump off. Alright, man, let's get ready. Let's go get this thing. Do that.
You bet.
Turn it down. Green flag.
Yeah, 10 jumped it. There goes one, maybe. I came back. All right, time to put the coal to it.
19.329. One inside, clear needed.
7's kind of a bowl in a china shop here.
Inside, 19.051. Side. Clear, 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 clear. Side. Nice. 20 minutes to go. Side. Clear.
Haven't been able to make up one yet. I almost did, and then it got a little squirrely. He's kind of taking my line. Oh yeah, they're gonna.
19.305.
There's a slide. And again, right when I tried to do what I did. Well, girls with blue feathers better like losers.
19.833.
Well, if I can just get the right set of circumstances, I got the 10.
19.572.
Oh, somebody spun. I'm not in dead last now.
Inside, inside. Clear. Inside.
God damn it, David, come on.
Clear if you need it. Inside. Clear inside. 19.488.
I had him too. I just went a little too wide.
Outside. Still out there. 19.491. Outside clear.
No, inside's not working for me. These two up here, and that threesome up there, that's my only shot. That's my only hope.
Cars in front of you.
Ooh, and a caution. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. That was after the fact.
Behind the 10.
Bump me right into you, brother. I'm sorry.
Line up
That was
behind
some
the
good
7.
line.
Open. The road open.
I'm dead.
Get behind the 7.
Well, I'm in 10th.
You're thinking you can't throw it.
All through attrition.
Green. Red more, man. Ready to go. Inside. You're clear.
Oh, come on. These guys that can't pass. I mean, I realize this is dirt, but Jesus Christ. They'd be screaming at me if I'd done that.
You're a dick.
You're a dick.
Make sure you put it where you got one fucking slider.
19.9. Slow cars on the top. Stay in the bottom. Stay in the bottom. Watch it out. What's your car doing, bud? Close. Close.
My God, I'm still in 10th.
Stay focused. Face drive off. Be ready.
About 6 laps to go. These boys will fix it up and some more, I imagine.
flag.
I'm gonna wait with this.
Solo one on the top. Stay on the top side. Caution out. Caution out. Be ready with, there you go. Be ready with that brake lead and stuff, guys. You're roll over.
Ooh, let the pace car by. Okay.
Sure. Single pop, please. Closed. Line up behind the pace car. The road's open. Get behind the 6.
Well, this has been rough and tumble. Of course, most dirt street stock are. Well, I'm running my seed number right now through pure attrition.
Okay, let's do it. Pace car's off. Be ready. Green flag. 5 to go this time. Stay low. Caution, caution. Alright, bud, why don't you give me status on your car there?
I don't even know what to say, guys.
We're on 1 to go.
Working my way to the top. A few more cautions, I might be leading.
Come to the green this time. Pace car's off. Be ready.
Holding them down, holding them down.
Ready, green flag, green flag. Stay the high side. Caution. What do you think, bud? You think you're alright out there? Closed. The road's closed.
Got by him just before the caution came out, so that gives me the position.
Oh boy.
Well, this is insane, but it's working. All right, can we get the last 3 laps off? Let's see.
You put down that pitch here, that? Yeah, we're working on it, Earl. We're trying to get Cody figured out and stuff set up. Okay. Hey, bud, come to the green. Be ready.
Went early.
Green. Good job, man. Keep that good. Caution's out.
Really?
Closed. Behind the 9.
Hell,
Line up behind the
maybe
pace car.
one more caution, I might get back on the track.
Behind the 4. Open. The road open.
Yeah, so much for my top
We're gonna
10.
restart behind the 9.
Run with it, Jason, run with it. Run.
I'm in 9th.
Good job, buddy. 2 more, man. Come on.
God damn.
White flag this time.
Boy, it's slicked up.
20.306. In front of you on the top. Slower on the top. Stay low. Outside. Still outside. Clear high.
What'd I get? 8?
That's some shit.
Checkered.
I freaking spun on my own, nobody to blame but myself. That sucks.
Ooh, I finished 7th. Okay. Wow. Well, I jumped pussy.
Because I can go anytime I want to. So sorry, I ain't got to listen to you.
Oh, God, I hate that argument. God, I hate that argument.
That's it.
Leader,
The leader has the prerogative to go anytime he wants. Once the pace car to leave.
that is absolutely true. These guys that keep claiming that the leader is jumping.
Back out.
Fucking ridiculous.
Well, that was a lot better than what it could have been.
You can say that again.
Well, that was a lot better than what it could have been.
Well, like the man said, wow. Finished one number above my seat, I'll take that any day. You know, I was floating with a top 5 there possibly, but in that one corner, man, I just dogged. It just dug in and came to a stop, and I got tapped from the rear, so, you know, it is what it is. Then I cornholed the Oreo car, but anyway. So 7th place out of a 15-car field, I'll take that any day. Thanks for coming along for the ride, and we'll see you next time.